Hello everybody, and today is Friday, so that means it's the Friday Magic Trick. I'm going to do one of my favorite all-time tricks, the sponge ball magic routine. So if you look at this sponge ball, you'll see that it's just its own sponge ball. There's no trapdoors. You're just going to have to take my word for it. I've let you examine it, but you're not here. So if I take this ball and I just kind of give it a twist and a turn, what can happen is two balls will go ahead and form. Now with these two balls, I can take one ball, put it in my hand here in the left, take another ball, put it in my right. I'm going to shake once, shake again. Did you see what happened? Of course not. You weren't quick enough. They switched places. The balls just switched to the other hand. You're not buying that. That's okay. I'm going to take this ball. I'm going to put it in this hand. I'm going to take this ball, put it in that hand. I'm going to shake once. I'm going to shake twice and watch it disappear from my left hand and pop right on over to my right. And just like that, we'll have two sponge balls right there. So if you guys really watch, we can make these sponge balls do amazing things. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just like that. Two sponge balls moving about from one hand to the next. Now these sponge balls are really magical. I put the two in there and I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. It listens to me very carefully, and 3 balls come popping out. Now, if you want to go one step further, we're going to test your math skills. We're going to take this ball, we're going to subtract it into my pocket. We're going to take this ball, add it into my hand, and we're going to take this ball, subtract it from my pocket. So we started with 3, we went 3 minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. So that should leave us with 1 ball in this hand, and yet there are 3. There are 3. So let's watch that again. I'm going to take this ball, I'm going to subtract it to my pocket. I'm going to take this ball, add it to my hand. I'm going to take this ball, subtract it to my pocket. How many do you think are right there? Well, if you said 1 or 2, you're wrong. But if you said 3, you're absolutely right. Let's try it one more time. Take this ball, put it in my pocket. Take this ball, I'm going to put it into my hand. I'm going to take this ball, I'm going to put it in my pocket. How many do I have in this hand? Now maybe you're thinking 1, maybe you're catching on and it's 2, or even 3. If you said 1, 2, or 3, you're wrong altogether. There's none. So I'm going to show you guys how this works. Kind of tough to show how it works on the video camera, so I'll try and slow it down. I'm going to take this ball, and when I put it into this hand, I leave a little bit of it out so that I can steal it right out. You think it's in the left hand, but in fact, it's in my right hand. I slide this right back to my back pocket, I snap my fingers, and boom, you think it's gone. Okay, now I'm going to do it at full speed, no camera tricks, I promise. Okay, I'm going to take this ball, and I'm going to push it into my hand, just like that, and boom, it's already in the back pocket. It's already disappeared. It's gone. You're not believing me. You think that this is the ball, but in fact, this is the square. And the question is how did the black ball get into my left hand? So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the famous sponge ball routine. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.